Is Ally Financial on the brink of collapse? Is your money safe with them? Let's dive deep into the rumors and facts to uncover the truth. In recent times, concerns have been swirling around Ally Financial, a prominent digital bank. As financial institutions face increasing challenges, it's natural for customers to worry about the security of their deposits. In this video, we'll dissect the rumors and provide a clear, data-driven analysis of Ally Financial's financial health. Understanding Ally Financial. Before we delve into the rumors, let's briefly understand what Ally Financial is. It's a leading digital bank that offers a wide range of financial products and services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, auto loans, and mortgages. Ally has a strong track record and a solid reputation in the financial industry. Addressing the rumors. So, what are the specific rumors circulating about Ally Financial's financial health? Let's break them down. Rumor: Ally is facing a liquidity crisis. Fact: Ally has a robust liquidity position, with ample cash and liquid assets to meet its obligations. The bank has been proactive in managing its liquidity risk and has a strong track record of weathering financial storms. Rumor: Ally is heavily exposed to risky assets. Fact: while Ally does invest in various assets, including auto loans and mortgages, it has a diversified portfolio. The bank has stringent risk management practices in place to mitigate potential losses. Rumor: Ally's stock price is plummeting, indicating financial instability. Fact: while stock prices can fluctuate due to various factors, Ally's stock performance is relatively stable compared to many other financial institutions. It's essential to consider the broader market trends and economic conditions when analyzing stock prices. Key factors contributing to Ally's financial strength. Several factors contribute to Ally Financial's strong financial position. Strong capitalization: Ally maintains a strong capital position, which acts as a buffer against potential losses. Diversified revenue streams: the bank generates revenue from various sources, including interest income, fees, and other services. Efficient operations: Ally has a streamlined operational model that allows it to maintain low costs and high efficiency. Regulatory compliance: the bank adheres to strict regulatory standards, ensuring transparency and accountability. Customer focus: Ally prioritizes customer satisfaction and offers a wide range of digital banking solutions. Conclusion: while it's natural to be cautious in times of economic uncertainty, the rumors surrounding Ally Financial's financial health appear to be unfounded. The bank has a strong track record, a solid financial position, and a commitment to its customers. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if you have specific concerns about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.